What are some of the main purposes of the church assembly? Let's begin in Psalm 149. Do we sing new songs or just the old? Do we sing praises in the assembly? Praise the Lord. Sing to the Lord a new song. Sing his praises in the assembly of the faithful. Do both physical and spiritual Israel rejoice in God? Are we the children of heavenly Zion? Let Israel rejoice in him who made them. Let the children of Zion be joyful in their King. Let them praise his name in the dance. Let them sing praises to him with tambourine and harp. For Yahweh takes pleasure in his people. He crowns the humble with salvation. Let the saints rejoice in honor. Let them sing for joy on their beds. Will we one day rule the nations and enforce heavenly standards? Let the high praises of God be in their mouths and a double-edged sword in their hands, to get revenge against the nations and punishment on the peoples, binding their rulers in chains and their officials in iron shackles, achieving the justice written against them. That'll be an honor for all God's faithful people. Praise the Lord. Is mutual encouragement supposed to be one of the main purposes of a church meeting? We should keep on encouraging each other to be thoughtful and to do helpful things. Some people have given up the habit of meeting for worship, but we must not do that. We should keep on encouraging each other, especially since you know that the day of the Lord's coming is getting closer. Will the elders sing another new song in that great heavenly assembly? And they sang a new song, saying, "Worthy are you to take the scroll and to open its seals, for you were slain, and by your blood you ransomed people for God, from every tribe and language and people and nation. And you've made them a kingdom and priests to our God, and they shall reign on the earth." What are some of the main purposes of the church assembly? You decide.